Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Mart, very unique and smart ideas. Dear viewers, we will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting mart. Today's video is all about home accessories. Crochet home accessories. Dear viewers, before we get started, don't forget to share and like the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe the channel for more crochet tricks and ideas. Crocheting home accessories is a fantastic way to personalize your living space with homemade touches. Here are some ideas for crochet home accessories you might enjoy creating. First one, throw blankets. A cozy crochet throw can add warmth and style to any room. You can experiment with different patterns, colors, and textures to match your decor. Cushion covers. Customize your cushions with crochet covers. You can use various stitches and designs to create unique pattern that complements to your furniture. Table runners and placements. Add a touch of elegance to your dining area with crocheted table runners or replacements. They can be made in a variety of sizes and designs. Rugs and carpets. Create a statement piece for your floor with a crocheted rug. This can be a fun project where you can experiment with different shapes and colors. Curtains. Light and airy crochet curtains can add a delicate touch to your window. They can be made in various lengths and designs to suit your taste. Wall hangings. Create wall art with crochet. You can make decorative top stairs, mandalas, or even simple crocheted motifs to frame and hang. Storage baskets. Functional and stylish crocheted baskets are great for organizing and adding texture to your space. You can make them in various sizes to suit different storage needs. Coasters and trevorts. Protect your surfaces with crocheted coasters and trevorts. They can be made in different shapes and colors to match your kitchen or dining area. Plant hangers. Display your plants in style with crocheted plant hangers. These can be customized to fit various pot sizes and can add a boho touch to your space. Tea towels. Add a bit of charm to your kitchen with crocheted tea towels. You can make them in coordinating colors and patterns for a special look. Napkin ring. Elevate your dining table with intricately crocheted napkin ring. They can be made in various designs and colors to match your table settings. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like. If you found it helpful, please subscribe the channel for more crochet tips and tricks. Each of these projects can be tailored to fit your personal style and the decor of your home. Plus, crocheting these items can be a fun and relaxation way to spend your time. From now, we will try our best to introduce the crochet with you. That actually, what is crocheting? Crocheting offers a range of benefits that go beyond just creating beautiful items. Here are some of the key advantages. The first one, very important, the main benefit which you will get from crocheting is mental health benefits. Stress reductions. The repetitive nature of crocheting can be suiting help to lower stress and anxiety levels. Mindfulness. Crocheting encourages mindfulness as it requires focus on the parent's task and can help calm racing thoughts. Improved mood. Engaging in a creative activity like crocheting can release endorphins, which improve mood and overall mental well being. Cognitive benefits. Enhancing concentrations. Following patterns and instructions help improve focus and attention to detail. Boost memory. Remembering patterns, stitches, and techniques can enhance memory skills. Problem solving skills. Troubleshooting mistakes and adapting patterns develops problem solving abilities. Physical benefits. Fine motor skills. Crocheting improves dexterity and hand-eye coordination by requiring precise finger movement. Relaxation. The rhythmic motion can be relaxing for your hands and arms, reducing muscle tensions. Social benefits. The first one and the main is community building. Crocheting can connect you with others through crochet groups, classes, and online communications. Gift giving. Handmade items make thoughtful personal gifts which can strengthen social bonds and express care. Creative and artistic benefits. Self expressions. Crocheting allows for personal creativity and the opportunity to express your style and preferences. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you very much for watching our videos.